Hi there. Here's how to add a hotlink or shortcut to your dashboard. Alright, so this is your dashboard and these are cards on your dashboard. So let's say you want to add a hotlink or shortcut to your marketing card. Okay, so here's how to do it. Okay, for example, let's go to flash sales. Okay, right, so you want to add a hotlink or a shortcut for this page to your marketing card. Click the add hotlink link at the top border, alright, and then you choose marketing. Okay, that's the marketing card. Alright, you can change the title if you want. This is the URL for this page. Okay, and you click add hotlink. Okay, as you can see, it's confirmed that the hotlink has been added. So let's just go back to your dashboard and you can see it here. Okay, it's been added. So when you click on it, it goes directly to the page, right? So what if you want to remove it? Yeah, not an issue. Alright, just click on this gear icon here, right? Click customize panel. Okay, and then scroll down to the card or the hotlink which you would like to remove. Click the trash can icon. Alright, save layout, and you're done. And that's it.